If you want your Google Ads campaign to be as effective as possible and reach your goals sooner rather than later, it's heavily advised that you pay a lot of attention towards your optimization score. Hello, I'm Uzair and thanks for joining in. In this video, I'm going to talk about the Google Ads optimization score. The optimization score ranges from 0% all the way up to 100%. If you're towards the upper end of the scale, it means your account is as optimized as it can be and you will be producing the best results it can. If you're more towards the lower end of the scale, then don't worry. It will give you recommendations on how you can improve your optimization score. If you don't know where to find your optimization score, go into your campaign and click on the Recommendations tab on the left-hand side. Not only will this give you your current score, but also on the same page here are the recommendations I mentioned earlier, where if you follow them, you'll start to see an improvement in your optimization score. However, the point of this video today was to introduce you to some new recommendations that can have an effect on your optimization score, and they are as follows. Target ROAS. This feature essentially lets you decide upon the amount you want to bid dependent upon what return you want from the money you're going to be spending on your ads. Essentially increasing the amount of value you'll get from your conversions. Target impression share. Along with target ROAS, this was the second update in relation to what is called smart bidding. The feature itself will depend on how much the bid should be. Should it be enough to get your ad to the top of the page? It won't settle for any less, so will change accordingly. Audience targeting. As the name might suggest, this feature allows for your ads to target certain individuals based upon a wide range of metrics, including their shopping habits, personal interests, and their existing relationship with your business. This last update as part of the revision to the optimization score concerns seasonal budgeting. This will include suggestions to you depending upon your industry and the nature of your business to save you missing out on any potential sales, should it be for around Christmas time, for example. Hope you enjoyed this video and I look forward to seeing you in the next one.